So the next lesson, or the next thing I'm going to show you, is how we can change the environment. Now there's a couple of different ways we could do this. You've got a list of different assets we could use and we could add additionally to the world. Now these might be good, these might be bad, they might match with our visual style or our theme of the game, or they might not. So it's up to you how you decide to use them. The alternative, and something I think might be a bit easier for us, is we can also copy what's also in the game environment by clicking this duplicate. And if we duplicate it, we can move it around like so. And that kind of makes our life a bit easier, because then we can start moving our walls and we can start putting them in the game. We can start building other parts of our map. Now we can also resize what we've got, so we could make the wall really long to save us a little bit of time from having to use each individual part, which could take a little bit longer. Now you can use the scale, so we can move it by just clicking on the asset, clicking move, and then you can use these arrows to adjust its location. If you click on the scale, you can scale the object. You can make it taller, you can make it shorter. Now one of the cool things we could do is we could create one of these walls, and then we could use one of these power-ups where you have to jump a bit higher, so you have to get a power-up to jump over the wall. So I'll leave it up to you guys how you choose to use the environment. One thing we do want to do though is we want to have an environment which flows into the other part of the environment, which is going to keep the game interesting. So your next task is to add new things into the environment. And the first part will be just to duplicate these in the world and move them around, using both the move and the scale features to be able to do this. You might also want to use the delete function as well.